Look at my goosebumps. Oh my god. Hi guys. So it's 5:30 a.m. here in Japan. And I'm gonna jog. Let's go. I bought my new shoes. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. I'm jogging here in Japan. First time ko mag-jog sa ibang bansa intentionally. Pero medyo mahirap kasi syempre yung pace ko. Kasi lagi ako nakatingin sa Google Maps. Punta akong park ngayon. Tapos lagi ako nakatingin. Because where am I going, right? It's a stop. Okay. Mag-reroute tayo sa isang park. Kasi natatai ako. Oh my god. Natatai ako, guys. Look at my goosebumps. Oh my god. Look at that. 8 o'clock pa magbubukas. Nakahanap ako. Success! Okay, so nakarating na ako sa park na pupuntahan ko. Guys, pinipindot pala yun. Sabi ko, ang tagal naman ng stop na to. Pinipindot pala. Kaloka. Yes. Overpass! Oh my god, there's dogs. There are dogs. Lawson.